Quantum stands for our 5-color programmable lighting series, meaning every Quantum product is shipped to the customer with 5 colors embedded in every single module. If a bar is ordered in single color, the user can program a module to any of the 5 available colors of red, blue, amber, white, or green. If dual color is ordered, then the software program automatically unlocks the ability to program any module with the choice of 2 colors in a single location. On light bars ordered in tricolor, the user will have the ability to select up to 3 colors in a single module location. Quad color configurations allow the user to select 4 colors in a single module location. And of course, Quint gives the ability to program and activate up to 5 colors in any module location. The affordable price of all amber allows only amber to be illuminated on any module location with the option of programming rear stop, turn, tail, and work lights. Last, should the user or dealer wish to upgrade to a higher level, they can do so with the click of a button using the Unlock Quantum software.